I don't always buy RTV, but when I do, well, guys, Adam, what you doing?
I'm picking up styrofoam.
And that yeah. So, what caused that, Adam?
It's called Hurricane Kids. This rock! When I least expected, they were fine building little houses out of it, and next thing they know, they discovered that they could break it.
Yeah.
And it was all downhill from there.
Well, I'm working on the Explorer. We in the last junkyard video. If you guys, if 500 of you have seen it. Anyways, we're at the junkyard, and I went to a 4.6 and pulled the injectors out of it. These are the 4-hole doohickey split shot. Supposedly the ones in here in this 4-liter are the 1-hole waste your fuel and have no power injector. So, well, let's just dig in, shall we? Alright, we're gonna remove this cover, the beauty cover. Come off. Looks like we've got a couple of lines to take off. We gotta take the brake booster line off. Let's go ahead and disconnect that. Unhook the lines here. I'm thinking what I'll do is I have clear access to the EGR nut. We'll probably just get a wrench in there and break it free. Hey. Oh, Velcro. Somebody's been in here before. So this top part, that's actually the fuel rail manifold. This motor is so tiny. How you fit a 4BT in there is impressive. Okay, so that's one injector harness. And I just want to compare the connectors. So it's going to mount it like that. And then there's a little slot. Look at that. Well, broke them free with vice grips. And even my smallest socket won't bite. If they're broke free, they should be able to spin. Yeah. Sorry. These studs also hold the plate down. Some downward force and a tight socket. Kind of get wedged in there and come right out. Yeesh.
That's nasty.
Looks like a 4-hole as well. But this...
It's absolutely disgusting.
It's crustified. It's a borscht. So, if I really cared about this engine, I would have actually blasted all of this out and maybe even washed it. But since I don't entirely care too much, I've just been taking them out. I've been at least cleaning the port that they go in because I don't want these to leak. So I got a little Q-tip. Just to use a little Q-tip just to... Ah, fuck, that's hot. Just to break the dirt away. So here's the other one. It's pretty... I mean, the outside's dirty, but... That's that one. Okay, let's get the next injector ready. And again, I'm just putting a little bit of lube on here so this goes in and seats nicely. And it just plugs in. Someone's dog just just get it near it, shove it down the hole. I wish that gasket wouldn't have ripped. Well, that'll be it for now. I'll come back later in the video when I get a new intake gasket kit. I don't always buy RTV, but when I do, gotta make it last. Alright, I already primed the system to get the air out. So I run second the key. And I'm going to check for leaks. I got the garden hose ready to go. Let's see if it runs. I'm gonna go take it up the street and see if that made a difference. It's running pretty smooth. I didn't see any fuel leaks. I don't smell any fuel. It seems like it has... I don't know. We'll see. I'm supposed to let that RTV cure, but I don't know. Really didn't change tips. Want to see if it'll do that pinging crap that it's been doing. I'm in 5th gear floored. Pinging, and it's at operating temperature. Send it. Yeah, I'm like getting into it and it's not doing it. Used to do that because you get going and it's going and I'm like, holy hell. Seems a little bit more responsive. It's not like you know, going from a Pinto to a Lamborghini or anything, but there's certainly an improvement there. So I think there was something wrong with the injectors that were in here. So if anything, I don't know if these really have a higher flow rating, but it seems like they eliminated a problem. We'll get out of here in a second. So they're injectors from a 4.6, might have been a 5.4, I'm not sure, but they're the yellow top, yellow body ones. And I think those had a higher flow rate than the red bodied injectors. So yeah, it's not clattering anymore. I wonder if those injectors were just getting tired. I'm at 5th gear and I'm flooring it and she's picking up speed decently, so. Well, I'd say that made some improvement, but, you know, didn't turn it into a race car, but. So we'll see how the fuel economy does in the next few weeks. I'll take a snapshot of my Monocar app, and you can see the fuel economy that I've been getting recently. And I mean, I've got 200 miles, and I'm at a quarter, just about to touch a quarter tank. I mean, it's getting worse and worse as we go on. So probably the next thing I'll do is swap out the fuel filter. And other than the intake snorkel being a piece of crap, that's about all we can really do with this thing. We could probably chop off the muffler and go straight pipe. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.